Oktoberfest 2024 vlog. It's 9:30 a.m. So we're starting quite early this time. This vlog is gonna be an introduction also of Oktoberfest if you want to come here, if you want to see how is the vibe. And I'm also gonna share with you prices, everything you need to know if you're planning to come maybe next year, or even if you're already in Oktoberfest and you just want to see our experience there. So I'm going with a few friends. David, hola. Hey. And hope we have fun.
We will.
Hola. So it's not mandatory to wear the traditional costume, lederhose for guys.
But we do the effort.
Yes, the tourists did the effort. And I have the same dindle for 7 years.
You're not obliged to say that.
It's okay, it's fine. I mean, they are quite pricey, like 100, 200 euro, but it's worth it.
Just right there, Clarice.
Already the music started. If you don't want to buy the costume, you can also rent it actually for one day. There are quite a few places in Munich that you can rent it.
Hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you.
There are a few ways how to arrive to Oktoberfest. If you be more near the U-Bahn station, the exit should be either Goetheplatz or Potterstrasse, and then you walk from there. If you are with S-Bahn, I would recommend the stop Hackerbrücke, and then you walk from there. There's so many people, so you just follow the people. And there are also Oktoberfest signs in the city. And then, what else? Also with U-Bahn station there is Theresienhofe with U5, I believe so. Yeah, just ask me actually. You can write in the comments, and if you have any questions, I'll respond to you for this Oktoberfest. And I have experienced so many years already, so feel free to ask. First tip on this vlog: don't get with you a big bag or a backpack or like nothing. Like so, mine is small, just a small bag, and. Don't take with you water or food, things like that. No, and nothing dangerous, yeah? No weapons. This is obvious, but... yeah.
I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
That was very easy actually. Already so crowded, and it's just 9:40 most probably. So it's good to come early to find a table. So you enter inside the tent, and if you haven't done a reservation, then you need to find a table. So that's why we're early, not to struggle later.
Times don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight.
A very international tent is Lauenbrau. That's where we are right now. People already start drinking, even though it's 10 o'clock. Like, imagine how people would be midday. I don't want to imagine. So, we're gonna find a table now, because most of them, as you see, are already busy. You have to come so early to find a table. But is not mission impossible, yeah. Also, you need to look for tables that say reservierungsfrei, that they are free. Don't sit in a reserved one. Okay, so now it's like 10:30. They don't serve beer yet. The beer starts serving at 12.
Si quieres venir.
All the tents, all the tent is almost full actually. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Oh my god. It's like already super crowded here. I would advise, another tip, eat before coming here in Oktoberfest. Eat a lot, because the beer is strong and the beer, the minimum is served 1 liter. And do expect it to be around like 15.8, I think, is this year. From 13, the price, wait 1 second. Okay, so the price is from 13.6 euro to 15.3 euro for the beer. And do bring cash, yeah, also, because you cannot pay by card here in the tent. I really hope that these tips are useful for you, just in case you're watching. And if it's helpful, actually I would really appreciate if you subscribe for more vlogs and more useful tips like this one. Thank you for watching!
Don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Keep the sky on your mind.
Okay, so now it's 12 o'clock, so officially they start serving the beers. Yes! First beer of Oktoberfest 2024. So here in Lowenbrau it costs 15 euro. Yeah, and then the waitress will be like, are you gonna leave me cheap? No, we just started. We're not leaving. And so the waitress are like, are you gonna leave me cheap? So you have to leave a tip, maybe, if you want to. Yeah.
So high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
So this is the first day of Oktoberfest. I think we stayed like 3 hours in one tent. And now we're gonna try to go in another tent or even try to play some games. I mean, I haven't eaten anything for lunch, so why not? Let's see.
Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight. Fly forever if you keep it tight. Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Another option, if you want to, is playing different games here in Oktoberfest. If you can see, there are different options. Whatever you like, you can do here. Honestly, Oktoberfest is one of a lifetime experience, and I would highly recommend it if you have not tried it, to actually come here and just try Oktoberfest. It's a unique experience.
Get on board. We're sailing on top of the world.
Another must do here is to try one of these games. Next one is no, we're not. It's almost 8 o'clock. Actually, time passes by very fast when you're having fun. I tried this one, this game. It's a lot of fun. Wait, let me see how much it costs. Entschuldigung, wie viel kostet diese? 7, danke. Okay, so it costs €7 and it's worth it. It's really worth it. And you're free for it. It's a lot of fun. So, you must try a lot of games. We're here, still standing. And for now, we're just gonna look around. Oktoberfest is once in a lifetime experience. Well, for me, it has been more than 6 years in a lifetime. I just really enjoy it. You should come here, at least once. At least once. I just hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please make sure to subscribe for more vlogs. And thank you so much for supporting me. And if you made it until the end, please give it a like, a comment, let me know what you think. If you were here, hope you had a good time in Oktoberfest. And if you ever see this vlog in the future, hope you one day come to Oktoberfest and you enjoy. I mean, every experience is different, but it's a very unique experience here in Oktoberfest. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this vlog. And I'll see you the next time. Tschüssi!